tech car. A lot of damage to Buster's car.
Yeah, Buster's been fast here since we unloaded on Wednesday. Trouble also for Bobby Gerhardt.
Not going to be pin number 9 for Bobby. Tough break for Bobby. Strategy played out perfectly, but lost the lead on the restart. There's Leilani. You can see her moving around in the cart. Remember how consistent she was last year with top 15 finishes.